This decorative piece is done using anchored thread and needle again, and I'll show you in my following videos how to make this motif stepwise. This has a good fan edge finish, as you can see, and this looks very beautiful. It is almost of 6 inches in diameter. To begin with, we have to make a small ring of 13 loops. Wrap the thread around your finger, put the needle inside and go anti-clockwise. Pull the thread again upwards. This will be the first knot. Leave some space, put the needle inside, and the bottom part should be wrapped anti-clockwise. Pull the thread. This will be the first loop. Keep some space. Put the needle inside again and go for the second loop. Similarly, we have to make 13 loops this way to complete the first ring. That is this complete ring. After completing the first ring, the second row will be only chain. Pass through each loops. Placing should be equal and near so that the loops should look equal and nice. This will be the third, fourth loop. As usual, the needle should be inserted. The thread should be wrapped anti-clockwise and pulled. And this round also should be completed as I have shown here.